Hello, sandwich fans. It's Sandwich Dad here, and today we're having some lofty ambitions as we try to construct a full English breakfast sandwich. Perhaps this will finally redeem me after on my Chip Buddy I mixed the red and brown sauces. Never heard the end of it. So we'll try to get the English back on our side here. So of course we'll use an egg, breakfast sausages, streaky bacon. Yes, our bacons are slightly different. Deal with it. We'll throw some baked beans on there. We'll also fry up some mushrooms. I thought about using this bolete I found in my yard, but I'm a little scared. Buttons it is. We'll also do a fried tomato. We're going to put some cheddar cheese on there because it's a sandwich. Yes, our cheese is orange, I'm sorry. And the piece de resistance, my butcher, finally got some black pudding in, so we get to put that on there as well. Yukon grown. I didn't have any English muffin. You guys just call them muffins over there? So I'm going to use this whole grain roll, which is just a regular roll with grains thrown on top as far as I can tell. So we'll fry up the sausages, and the bacon, and the black pudding. We'll also do the mushrooms and tomatoes and some butter. Then our egg. Got a full stovetop going here. We'll of course fry our roll as well. And now the assemblage. We'll start with the beans, followed by the bacon, sausage, a bit of cheddar cheese, and our egg. Fried tomato on the other side, as well as mushrooms, and our black pudding. Then we'll take both red and brown sauces. Just kidding. And we'll take some brune and lightly drizzle on both sides. And then we combine. And we've got to figure out how to eat this thing. Put the camera down. Sandwich Dad. Good day.